On top with tori for today, Naija First Lady Aisha Buhari, don't Tanda back for the country. First Lady of Nigeria, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Buhari, don't Tanda put for Nigeria after a long holiday wey she go do for United Kingdom. When she dey follow tori people talk as she land, she talk say her body don dey kampe as she don ready gidigba to continue to dey work on top the life and health of Naija women, children and people wey need help. She can't use this opportunity to thank her husband, President Muhammadu Buhari, her family, and people wey like her for them support.
Alhamdulillah, I thank the Almighty Allah for the safe return. When I went to Saudi, based on the doctor's instructions, I went back to UK again. I'm well now. As you have seen that I've just arrived, is it 5 a.m. or what? I've just arrived with the British Airways. The video was an old video. You are all around here to welcome me, and I thank Nigerians for their support and encouragement. I thank them also for their constant prayers for me and Mr. President.
The people we can receive are wives of governors and former governors and other people wey dey gidigba for the country. Now here the informate reach on top with tori for today as Naija First Lady Aisha Buhari don't Tanda back for the country after the long holiday wey she go do for UK. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na in the yarn am dey give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter on top T Live Media. And our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to get ogbonge tori as e dey shele.